Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day.
Hey guys, this is Just One Guy, and I'm back here with another video. Now, if you've been keeping track of my channel, you know I've been working on Project Hermes, which is essentially a game engine on top of the Unity game engine that will allow me to develop my projects faster, but also allow me to iterate my projects from my mobile phone. So in my last update, what I did was I added a class and attribute system to it. And now because of that, I had to add a system to save all that data, both to my phone and my PC. Now what I wanted this system to do was create two different types of saves. Oh, paused the game there by accident. Just open up the dev menu and then go to the saves, and I'll show you how the system works. Right now, I'm just going to delete all the file data. So right here it just shows me the save path, and the reason I put this right here is because a lot of times I had to debug where the file is being saved, because I just use application.persistent path, and it's not always clear exactly where that will save it to. And I use different devices, and since I wanted to test it, I used this on different devices and just iterate on whatever I was on, a tablet, my phone, my computer. I really wanted to know where that save path was, so I just wasn't looking for a file in some weird place. So this just shows you the save path right here. Right here I just input the name of the dev saves. I have dev saves and game saves. The difference between them is this will save any development data, and this will save any game relevant data. This will act as a save like a regular game save, but this will save all my development data, like the attributes, classes, camera data, and health data within this menu right here. So right here I just have a create dev save button, and I have a create game save button. I haven't fully implemented the create game saves. It can create game saves, but it doesn't hold any data right now, and that's because I figured that would be pretty specific to the game that I'm making at that point in time. So I won't know which data to put in there until I start making the games. I'll put some relevant data like player positions and everything like that, but it's going to be highly game dependent, so I haven't really implemented it yet. But the dev saves, that is fully implemented, and I'll show you that right now. This just deletes the file because it saves all the dev saves and the game saves into one single file. This button right here will just delete that whole file entirely from the hard drive. So right here, I'm just going to go and change some dev data, delete the strength attribute, and then put the game in isometric third person mode. I'm going to open back up the dev menu, go to my saves, and just create a test save. And if I create the dev save, you can see I have the file right here. I can create as many dev saves as I want, but I'm just going to create one right now called the test save. And if I exit the program and then hit play and go back into the program, you can see that the data persisted. And if I click it, it'll just load up all the data exactly where I left off. Now right here, I can either delete this specific dev save. That's different from deleting the file itself. This will just delete that particular save from the file. It won't delete the entire file itself. So the file will still exist, but it won't have this particular save in there. But I'm just going to load the save. And if I exit the program, you can see the game went into isometric player mode, because that's what I had it saved as. And in attributes, the strength attribute is no longer there. Now this will work on anything, the input data, the camera data, health data. If I go right here and I just change, let's see, gonna make the camera move way faster. Set the camera. Matter of fact, I'm gonna give it the ability to rotate too. Set that rotation speed to 9. In fact, I'm gonna turn that down because that'll get a bit ridiculous now that I think about it. Just gonna give the camera the ability to rotate on the x-axis, on the y-axis. Sorry. So now I can rotate like this, and just go and save the data. Now the thing about this, if I just hit save data, it will automatically save it to the last thing I loaded. Or I can just create a new save right here. But I'm just gonna hit save data, and it's gonna automatically load it to the last save that I had. So let me just exit the program. Excuse me. And if we go back into the save menu, load the data up, you can see it persisted. So this is something simple, but it will allow me to edit any development data from both my phone and my PC, which will allow me to iterate on my projects even quicker if I wanted to change something development related and not specifically game related. And even though that's a simple system, it needed to be created. So next, what I'm going to try to do is get back into Unreal, because I got a little derailed when I was creating this whole class system, and it kind of took up a lot of my time where I didn't have enough time to really go into Unreal and upload and learn how to use it. I'm going to try to upload a tutorial on how to get Unreal working on Android, because I felt that was a little complicated. It's not really complicated, but it's not as automatic as it is in Unity, and some of the documentation can be pretty hard to deal with to tell which version you're using. So I was going to try to do a tutorial on that, but so far I'm happy with my project, and this only took me about a day or two to get done, and it's going pretty well. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. And if you're interested in anything I'm doing, or you just want to follow the channel, please like and subscribe, and check out my socials in the description down below.